Welcome back to this class. Yes, in this class we'll be dealing with subtraction. Don't forget our week 2 mathematics GSS1 begins with basic operations on whole numbers. Good. And I have said it before that we have 4 basic operations, which are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. In the last video, I've treated addition. Now we want to be looking at subtraction. Now, like I said before, subtraction is a process of reducing a quantity by another quantity. Or you say subtraction is the process of reducing one number by another number. So, other words for subtraction are other words. You can also call it minus. We use the word minus. And we also use the word difference. So if they ask you to find a difference between two numbers, so they are asking you to subtract the two numbers. Any of these two words are allowed to be used. Now, so the symbol for subtraction is this. This is the symbol for subtraction. Now, let's give a simple example. One of the most basic example that you can see is when you say 5 minus 3. So this is 5. You want to take away 3 from 5, not the other way around. You want to take away 3 from 5. So the result of this one can be done by everybody. Even a baby in primary 1 can do this. So all you need to do is picture 5 in your mind, or you count 5 fingers. Then you want to take away 3 from 5. Just do 1, 1, 2, 3. What are we left with? We are left with 2. So the result of 5 plus minus 3 equal to 2. Now, however, for you to see it very well on a number line, let me show it for you. Let's draw a number line for subtraction. So whole numbers begin from 0. Let's put 0 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and it continues like this. So now the process of subtraction means you want to go backward. So if you are subtracting 3 from 5 on a number line, that means you want to take 3 steps backward. You want to take 3 steps backward. Let's see where we are going to end up at. Very good. So I'm going to start, my starting point is going to be 5. So this is 5. Then I want to take 3 steps backward. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. So the answer is 2. So therefore, 5 minus 3 equal to 2. Even on the number line, our result is 2. So this is what you can see clearly by yourself. Very good. Now, you may be saying subtraction is easy. Many students still fail it. So maybe due to some recklessness, misarrangement of digits. So when it comes to one digit, everybody can do it. When it comes to 2 digits or more, some students will get it wrong by arranging it wrongly. So wrong arrangement will lead to wrong result. So let us see. Let's start with 2 digits against 2 digits, and let's subtract. For example, if you have 85 minus 23. So 85 minus 23. This is very simple. We just need to first arrange normally. So don't forget the rule. Unit upon unit, tens upon tens, 100 upon 100. Let's go. We are starting with 85 on top. Then 23 under. So the 3 is the unit, it has to fall under the 5. 2 is the tens, it has to fall under the 8. So let us subtract. So at this level, don't expect them that they will help you to arrange it like this. As a GSS1 student, you'll be the one to be arranging it mostly by yourself. So you subtract unit from unit. So 5 minus 3, you get 2. 8 minus 2, you get 6. So the answer for 85 minus 23 equal to 62. Good. Now we can see another example. So let's go for the ones that always require remaining. So that's where you have to borrow from one number to satisfy another number. Let's see if you have 74 minus 36. Very good. 74 minus 36. Let's arrange. 74 on top, then 36 under 36. Let's subtract. So right here, I want to take away 6 from 4. You can see that this is physically impossible. So a 6 is bigger than 4. That's how you have been taught from primary school. But later you realize that we can actually do it. But in this context, we can't do it. So we have to borrow from the 5. Take away 1 from this 7. You have 6 remaining. So that 1 that you borrow, bring it to this. So and also, you will later realize that what you have borrowed here is not actually 1. It is actually 10. And that's what makes this become 14. But for now, just see it as 1. So 1 and 4 equal to 14. So 14 minus 6. 14 minus 6, that will give me 8. So I have 8 here. Then 6 minus 3, that will give me 3. So therefore, the answer to this is 38. So that is how it goes. The same thing you do for 2 digits, that's how you do for 3 digits, 4 digits, and so on. There is no special thing in subtraction. Once you understand the process from addition and subtraction, there is no problem. So, however, let's deal with those ones that normally have zeros, bunch of zeros. So let's say we have 900 minus 475. So now we have 900 and we want to take 475. So these are some of the questions that confuse a lot of students, but we have to deal with it. Let's have 900, then 475. I have to arrange correspondingly. 475. Let's subtract. Now, you want to subtract 5 from 0. Clearly impossible. So, I have to go to the next digit to borrow. This is also 0. It has nothing to offer. How will I deal with this problem? I need to go to the next digit, which is 9. Borrow from this 9, it will remain 8. Borrow 1 to this place. So, the next one, you cannot throw it all the way from here to here. So you have to first give this first. Satisfy this before satisfying this. So this becomes 10. Borrow from the 10. Borrow 1 from the 10. It will remain 9. So that's why you usually have 9 here. Oh, sorry. Borrow from this 10 so that it will remain 9. So that you will not be saying this as 90. This is 9. Good. Next is, so carry the one that you borrowed to this place. So this will be 10. So 10 minus 5, that will give you 10 minus 5, that will give you 5. So now we have 9 left here. 9 minus 7, that will give me 2. Then 8 minus 4, that will give me 4. So that means the result for 900 minus 475 equal to 425. So we can do this in another way. So apart from doing it in this way, but this one is a trick. So this is a trick. You can use this on your own without probably using it in an exam. So for example, there are some questions that this is not mainly the main solution, but you just need to do 900 minus 475 along the way. So this method is very useful. I have 900 minus 475. So after rearranging it like this, all I need to do is to take away 1 from this, take away 1 from this. If you subtract 1 from this, this will remain 899. Subtract 1 from this, I will have 474. So this addition is very easy now. So I can do 9 minus 4 easily. This will give me 5. 9 minus 7, this will give me 2. Then 8 minus 4, that will give me 4. So the answer is 425. I can copy this all the way back to this. So the answer here will be 425. Just by trick, I got the same answer. So you can see. Now, however, the last statement that I made in addition, I said addition is commutative. That is, you can say 2 plus 3, and that will still give you 3 plus 2. That's commutativity, commutative law. But that rule does not work for subtraction. You cannot say that 2 minus 3 is equal to 3 minus 2. That is wrong. This is never possible. So I will say that 2 minus 3 is not equal to 3 minus 2. Whenever you see this symbol, it simply means not equal to. Not equal to. So, in the next video, we'll be talking about multiplication. So, just hold on to this for now. Thank you. God bless you.